প্রেস কনফারেন্সেস টেরিসাক 3rd এপ্রিলাক আমি ঘেরাও গেল of the COE Chief of Examination for delay of examination results. So during that entire dilemma that had happened the other day on 3rd April, we saw certain things that were that looked very fishy to us. First of all, when we went inside the meeting to have a dialogue with the chief of the examination, Mr. Anuradha Wagle, it was very sad to see that she did not give a single reply to our questions that we answered or that we asked. We asked her very simple questions as to why the examination results had been delayed. The exam is supposed to start on 8th of April, and till 3rd April the results were not announced. We went with the students of Salgaonkar College to ask genuine questions as to why the results had been delayed and when the results would be announced. She did not have any answers to the questions. She went to her office and she closed the door. So in a democracy, we want to ask this question, that don't we have the right to even question an authority and ask her questions as to why the exam results were delayed? The NSUI strongly believes that when the door was closed, there was some kind of fishiness that had happened inside. Either there was a cash transaction that had happened, or I don't know what. We have serious allegations against the chief of examination, because from our sources we have come to know that the relative of some of the minister, an ex-minister whose papers were to be cleared, that's why the results were announced late. And this is not the only time when the results are delayed. It has been a tradition of Goa University that every time the students' results are delayed, their convocation certificates are delayed, and every time we have to come up with a morcha or a gherao to make sure that the results are declared. Luckily, after the gherao, in the evening the results are declared. This is again very fishy, that once we put pressure, that is the time when you will declare the results. Is it so that we have to go on with? We have the entire video and the entire press was there present, wherein we've not even touched her or not even caused her any, neither did we threaten her of anything physical. When we ask questions, we have the right to ask a question, but registering a police complaint means their life would be spoiled. As to why the BJP government is not asking a question and is not taking care of the Goa University. We ask a question to the Chief Minister of Goa to take care of the entire situation, and if within 7 days she is not resigning from her post, we are putting a very serious allegation and we want an answer. We will also be writing to the Vigilance Department, to the UGC and the Anti-Corruption Board as to what corruption has taken place between the COE and the relatives of the ministers. So these are very serious allegations that we are putting across.